So these out of control gang stalkers was up at like 4:30, 4:45 this morning on a Monday, which is a school morning rather. And I'm thinking it's like 6 o'clock in the morning. I look at my damn clock. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. And I'm just disgusted because it was like I heard maybe two or three different sets of footsteps walking back and forth in the bathroom, flushing the toilet and shit, walking back and forth through the kitchen, cracking floorboards. And I could show you better than I can tell you because one of them gang stalkers went out in a vehicle and left. At 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't know if they open in a grocery store. I don't know if they out selling drugs. All I know is that they was up making hella noise. 4:30 in the morning. Cracking floorboards. Flushing toilets. I wanted to get up and record it, but it's already got enough recordings of that. If y'all don't believe me by now, something wrong with your brain. You're in denial. Anyway, I just want to protect myself while I'm using the bathroom, so. They lying, they cheating, they drinking and they smoking, and they don't go to church. They're lying and cheating and drinking and smoking, and they don't go to church. They lying, cheating, drinking and smoking, and they don't go to church. I think they finally decided to turn the water off that they had running for hella months this weekend. They decided to turn the water off finally because I seen the East Bay Mud, which is our water department, come by here a couple of times last week, and they stopped right at around this address, and they keep doing measurements, taking measurements in the ground, I believe, to measure the water use over here, because they know something sinister is going on. Yeah, I tell you, these gang stalkers, they're either up selling drugs or out gang stalking somebody at 5 o'clock in the morning, which is very troubling because you don't know what's going on because they keep lying and cheating so much. You gotta cover up a lie with a lie.